Hello, in this video we are going to discuss about collections commons. So actually Apache collections, there is another library called collections commons collections. So what that will do is there are so many methods and utility classes that help us to make the operation on collections. So for including that collections we need to add a dependency. So in our case, we have Apache Commons lang 3 we add in our previous video. So right now I am adding another artifact ID commons collection 4 in my pom.xml file. So after that addition, we are ready to go. We will write a class. So right now I already wrote a class called CollectionUtils test, and also there is one static void main method. So inside this class I will create some of the things here. So since we are working with collections, I need to create some collections. So how I will do that? There's the first things to go. So here I am going to create I'm, I should have a yeah, I already have a model class. Probably I will use that particular class. So I need to define some methods in my class right now, and after that methods is defined, I will create some list. Based on the list we will go further. So we can start right now. So I have a vehicle class here, collection utils test class is here. So I am creating some vehicle objects here. Vehicle 1, new vehicle, and I will give something like car, bus, whatever. So here then I am copying that one and I am creating two other objects, 2 and 3, and I will create a fourth one with a null. This is the fourth one. So I have all the four objects. Then I need to create some list. So list of vehicle, new or new, not new array list, arrays, host list, and I'm adding my vehicle 1, vehicle 2, and vehicle 3, probably vehicle 4 also. Okay, so I am done with that. So the first method in collections utils is collection utils addIgnoreNull. So I'm just removing some of the objects from this list, and I am using collections utils dot addIgnoreNull. Then I have a list here. I am trying to add one of the vehicle. Okay, then I need to print the size. Then inside that size. Okay, so right now I'm running my program. So the size is 2 right now. So what I am going to do is I'm calling this one again, and instead of vehicle 4 I am adding vehicle 3. And okay, your car. Okay, okay, until here everything is fine. If I am adding here, yeah, we are getting an error because this type should match. Actually, here we need to pass object, so we are passing a vehicle here. That's why it's not adding to that particular collection utils. If I am adding new object or something, it will probably add. Record type collection.t object t and provide a list vehicle, and it should be a vehicle. So it should work, but in our case we have some issues. I don't know the exact reason for that. So right now we need to know only one thing. Whenever we are adding an object into this list and it is null, it will not make any exception or error. So to avoid that, we need to use addIgnoreNull method of CollectionUtils. So that's one of the method, and we have so many other methods, and probably we will list we will explain all of them on next couple of videos. So the other one, probably we can go inside this one and we can see some of the methods here. So there are so many methods here. Is sub collection, is equal collection. So in is equal collection we will provide two collections, and if both collection is equal, it will return a true. So we can test that. So I have list, and I have a list 2 here, and I am going to do one thing, list here. Then what I am going to do is vehicle collection, and I will provide list and list 2. Okay, so right now I am trying to run this one, but I need to provide some output here. Control X, and I'm passing here, and I am trying to run here. Okay, so it's equal. That's why it's returned true. So that's some of the methods, and we have some other methods also we will discuss in next video. Thank you for